Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I have no idea what's been delivered. I didn't expect this. Riley didn't give me a heads up, but this is from 53Frogs, otherwise known as Riley Gunn, the classic Riley Gunn business card with some details on the back. This is a little bit new. I haven't seen this card before, but there's a QR code here. I'll zoom in on it, and you should actually be able to scan it from your phones as you're watching this video. So Riley's embracing the QR codes as well. They are very heavily used these days. But on here, he also had a little bit of a message for me, just talking about the waveform lighting. So thanks for the tip about the waveform lighting. Hopefully it helps even an experienced Opal man like 53Frogs Riley Gunn. If I can help him, I feel like I'm doing a great job. So hopefully that does help him out. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, I'll pop it up and I'll leave a link in the description. There's a nice little app on this waveform lighting website where they really depict what the difference in color you can see using lights. It's not exactly Opal related, but it's really important for us in Opal. There's a nice little QR code there as well. He does have a nice little Opal light as well. Got these little pointy ones that you can get right into the color bars. But today we'll unbox whatever it is he has sent through. He has not sent me a message about this. He has not done anything. I don't know how long it's been sitting at my post office actually. They didn't notify me. I just happened to check today. Number one, let's have a look. Oh, okay. On the topic of lighting, we've actually got some lighting. So I should actually read this note a little bit more. Here's one for you to play with and another you can give away. Alright, we'll add it to the giveaway. Only one person's gonna win that giveaway, so if anyone else is interested, scan the QR code and it should take you right there. So we've got a, what is that? Oh, a charger. Charger. Now I have actually seen this on his channel. So it's actually much bigger than I thought. Riley has big hands. So nice little torch. We might grab some opals and we'll have a good look at how this thing operates. So I don't need to unbox both of them. I've got one. So it looks like you can use it as a standard light, or you can screw in this end, which for me, oh, maybe it doesn't screw in, it just presses in. I'm always surprised. Riley is always surprising me with the tech he thinks of. He's always coming up with clever ideas, and this is definitely no exception. I thought it was just a torch. It's just going to shine a light when I press this button, and you turn it on and yep, there you go, nice little white light. But you press it again, we've got ourselves a yellow light. And then, even more surprisingly, press it again, you've got a black light. So this guy, he just comes up with so many damn good ideas. Look at that. And of course, when you've got the stone right up against it, you're looking at, let's have a quick little measure with the calipers. So the point of this thing goes to about, what are we looking at here? Is that 1, 2, 3, 3.5, 4 mil. 4 mil little hole in the end of it. So, of course, if you're blacklighting out at night and you're wanting to check a whole wide range of stuff, you've got this fairly powerful torch. So there it is in yellow, and then there it is in black light. Oh, some dirt on my hands. So not only can you just use it as a three position torch like that, 3 different qualities of light, you just chuck the little nozzle on it and then you can grab your opal. Let's just grab whatever I've got sitting around here. This is a terrible example, but look at that. You can see straight into your opal. So this is an incredibly useful torch. I can't believe it. I literally just thought it was a white light torch, but that kind of makes sense as to why it's so massive and chunky. And then yeah, it's got this nice little thing on the end that you just take this off and chuck it in here, and there you go. You've got it sitting there ready to go for when you want to use just a standard massive torch of daylight, white light, or UV. Absolutely incredible. I really wish I knew this earlier, because I probably would have bought one myself straight away. Instead of doing my current thing where I turn on a light and just kind of pinch my fingers together so you get a little beam of light coming through here, and then you just shove your little opal in there. It works, but it's nowhere near as effective as chucking a little nozzle on there. So incredible, definitely worth checking out. Someone will win one because I'll give one away as Riley has recommended here. but otherwise, hit up his store and check out the lights. He's got heaps of other things. He always comes up with great ideas. He's got little brushes and stuff that I don't even use myself, but it is a really good idea. I just use an electric toothbrush. So I'm coming up with all these dodgy ways around things, and then he actually takes the time and effort to get proper solutions, like actually half decent, applying his brain kind of solutions. Whereas I apply my brain at work all day. I just don't want to apply it too much. Who knows, I might burn out. So yeah, incredible little light. I think you'll never see one of my standard lights ever again on the channel. You'll always see this one, because that is, yeah, it's incredibly clever, rechargeable battery and all. It's such a elegant solution to a lot of problems, and such a good versatile light. So incredible. I really have to stop getting surprised by Riley when he comes up with these kind of ideas. He's yeah, he never ceases to impress me. So surprise unboxing, probably gonna come real handy, and you'll see it on the channel a hell of a lot. I'd recommend definitely trying to seek out one yourself. I'm pretty sure Riley ships international and everything, so yeah, wherever he found this from, he's really come across a good one, and I'm so glad he's stocked them and sells them on his own store, because it's incredibly smart. And I'm gonna waste no time. I've actually got a stone that really needs this help, so I'm gonna just get to it and have a look at this other opal so I can get to carving and get to recording, and hopefully it works out. So catch you guys around. I am gonna go have a bit of fun with this. See ya.